Enjoy all this Iona/McGregor Riverside community has to offer. This community includes its own private community beach, tennis courts, and walking trails. Check out the drone footage to see where the Caloosahatchee River meets the Gulf. If you're big into water sports, this has everything you need. Boat storage and slips are leased separately. Each day you can watch the sunrise over the community heated pool, and sunset over the Gulf of Mexico. Don't let this one get away because the last unit sold in under 3 days. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome has a garden, courtyard, garden and seating area. Kitchen has a refrigerator with an ice maker and water indoor, dishwasher, breakfast bar, and pantry. The owner's suite is spacious.